Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel RSGK. Today in this video we are going to discuss world best GK questions. So let's start. Question number 1, largest river of the world is? Answer, Amazon. Question number 2, the longest national highway of India is? Answer, NH44. Question number 3, which two places are connected by NH44? Answer, Singapore to Kanyakumari. Question number 4, nearest planet to Earth is? Answer, Venus. Question number 5, the first Indian satellite observatory was launched from? Answer, USSR. Question number 6, which planet is known as evening star? Answer, Venus. Question number 7, in which galaxy our solar system located? Answer, Milky Way. Question number 8, the first person to land on the moon? Answer, Neil Armstrong. Question number 9, Human Rights Day celebrated on? Answer, 10th December. Question number 10, the capital of Australia is? Answer, Canberra. Question number 11, the first country to send men to the moon? Answer, USA. Question number 12, the first woman to climb Mount Everest? Answer, Junko Tawai. Question number 13, what is the name of national calendar of India? Answer, Saka calendar. Question number 14, World Yoga Day is celebrated on? Answer, 21st June. Question number 15, the currency of Bangladesh is? Answer, Taka. Question number 16, Berlin is the capital of? Answer, Germany. Question number 17, longest lake of Europe? Answer, Ladakh. Question number 18, the deepest ocean in the world is? Answer, Pacific Ocean. Question number 19, which country is known as the land of midnight sun? Answer, Norway. Question number 20, Paris is the capital of? Answer, France.